2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country Performance, Release Date, Redesign. When basic engines was dropping brand names 10 years back, pretty much everybody presumed that GMC, their particular truck's only brand name, will be between the initial to go walking the plank. Following all, GMC's virtually identified the actual badge engineering produce a new vehicle by altering some badges in the grille. This emerged to thoughts as I was driving the authentic 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe SUV. Previously this year, I drove the actual 2022 GMC Yukon SUV, same platform, same engines, and also very same technologies. So, is the Tahoe the Yukon with various grille and badges? As finest, I will determine from the GM Canada site, about $1,500 under the GMC equal feature. Like all current common engines items, the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country demonstrates a large enhancement in interior trim components and finish off. The key principal display screen is huge and brilliant. Although the minimal management will take some obtaining used to, they usually do, they are much better not just than numerous competition, but also a lot better than GM by itself used to provide. Of course, there is an enormous vibrant mind-up exhibit, and as with any secure driver, I close this away from exterior and interior. The initial main change to the particular truck, forward with its Yukon couple, is its overall size, wheelbase up by only 125 mm and general duration by 169 mm. A lot of it goes to the advantage of thirdly row legroom, up by simply a considerable 254 mm. Thirdly, row riders no much longer sit down in very as small a fees package. I used to be capable of collapsing my 5'10" frame in very easily, this facilitated by the second row seating getting effortlessly and considerably glide in a position. Complete cargo room is up by 28%, and the room right behind the third row is up by a whopping 66%. The second huge change is an unbiased multiple hyperlink rear revocation. It offers significantly far better journey and dealing with, but it is also a lot more compact, liberating up a lot more passenger area. GM Canada's Kenzie observed that traditionally, the product sales divided among 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country and the extended wheelbase Suburban had become about 70/30. The improved interior room in the new Tahoe might boost its revenue percent towards its more significant sibling, though the physique that proportion will remain about the same. My tester also experienced 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country 4th Aram magnet trip control dampers that may change their damping degree nearly in actual time to provide exceptional dealing with and proper on any street, or off-road, surface area. Additionally, it experienced the Air Journey suspension, which enhances journey quality and even offers up to 102 mm of trip size modification. Specification: the Tahoe persists to be managed by a V8 for the comprehensive lifestyle, which remains for the newest age. However, its regular 355 HP 5.3-liter and easily accessible 420 HP 6.2-liter obstruct now shown and associate with a diesel 3-liter 6-tubing engine. Though it has the bare minimum horsepower of the three, its 460 lb-toes of torque satisfy the lot more superb V8. Each 2022 Tahoe is created with a 10-acceleration automatic transmission and equally rear or all-wheel travel. We reviewed the off-road motivated Z71 model experiencing the typical V8, which has a 2-rate change scenario that gives a standard 4-wheel drive, 20 wheels twisted with all-terrain rims, and underbody safety. Our occasion obtained excellent rate, a business brake pedal, and an impressively relaxing cabin at street rates. The Z71 package offers surroundings springs, that make it possible for the Tahoe's getaway height to be yourself and quickly lessened or helped bring up, and adaptive dampers, which are predicted better echelon Premier and High Country. The second alternative and the RST model every single journey on glitzy 22 rims for further entryways elegance. 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country price and release date. Considering that we noted back in Feb. the 2022 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country will begin at $50,295, just $1,000 higher than the 2022 model. It's with says no matter of considerable alterations these kinds of as a new unbiased rear revocation, and regular security measures like LED lighting and automatic emergency braking.